Okay, for question 2, I'm only going to take you through what I think are the two most simple to understand descriptions, so that way I can get you started moving on to the next page, because this was the one that gave us the most trouble when we were taking the test. So to start with, we're going to look at the vertex. The vertex is another word for a maximum or a minimum point, or in other words, a highest or a lowest point. So if we're looking at the graph of f of x, this graph does not have a highest point or a lowest point. It would go up forever and down forever. It does not ever stop going up, doesn't ever stop going down. So f of x does not have a vertex. So therefore, there is no point that is the vertex. F of x does not have a vertex. Does it have a line of symmetry? So that would be a line that you could put on here that would make it the same on both sides. So if, for example, I were to put a line right here, this would not be a line of symmetry because I have this section down here that's going down, and then I have another section up here that's going up. So this would not be a line of symmetry because the two sides of the graph are not the same. In fact, this problem does not have a line of symmetry. There is no line that you can put on the graph for f of x that would make it the same on both sides. So once again, f of x does not have a line of symmetry, and so therefore there is no number where it is at. So f of x does not have a line of symmetry. If you have a graph that's just a straight line like f of x is, it's not going to have a vertex, it's not going to have a line of symmetry. However, graph g of x does have both of these. It does have a vertex because right here is the highest point that this graph gets to. So yes, this one does have a vertex because it has the highest point. And this is at the point -4, 0. So that is the vertex of g of x, is -4, 0. If you have a vertex, then you are also most likely going to have a line of symmetry. And if you look at the graph here, I can put a line that goes through that vertex that makes it the same on both sides. We should be able to see that this blue part that I've just drawn on there is the same as this green part that I've drawn on there. It is the same on both sides of that line of symmetry. So yes, g of x does have a line of symmetry. And what number it's at -4. This line is 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. So we would say that this line of symmetry is at x equals -4. And that is all for this one.